One of the processes at Gokey USA is boot repair. This customer has had these boots for over 30 years. His feet have changed, and the boots no longer fit or are comfortable to the way his foot has changed. One of the things that the customer did was send the boots back to Gokey USA here in Tipton, Missouri, and we are making new boot bottoms with new soles, new cushioned insoles, new liners to fit his foot. This is the old top that come off the boot. What we've done is stitched a new plug into that boot top, and we will form fit this top on his new bottoms. And when they're done, the customer will basically have a new full bottom pair of boots with his old top.
Hi, I'm Nick Houston, working for Gokey USA, and I'm the one that fits boots around here. This is a pair that was sent in for repair. This pair was probably about at least 20, maybe 30 years old, and they sent it back in. We put a new plug on. This is the old bottom, but this is the new one that we're going to go to. So we're going to be fitting this old top to the new bottom. This is the same process we go through with new pairs, but this is for repair. So first thing we do is we sketch this cut line around, and then we actually cut that. I'll show you that real quick. Cut the front end at an angle so we can bevel the plug into the bottom. Then I'll tack that in place all around and remove the top. And we'll be left with that. That's the inside liner that I've already peeled back and glued down, put a chalk line around. And here we have the old top with a new plug. Set that in place. So we continue that process the rest of the way around, tacking the new plug down to the bottom. See how that fits. And then this would go on to be hand sewn, and they'd remove the extra of the inside liner, and they'd have a new looking pair of boots.